Hey there, members. My name is Quentin Went. I'm a host in Atlanta. I'm super excited to invite you to our very first open house. We've heard you. We understand that you want to see what the house looks like. And many of you are hesitant. Like, what am I going to live in? What's my room going to look like? Give me the real scoop. I want to show you what it looks like from my house. Welcome to the house that we're touring, and you get to come inside and pick a room. We have 9 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4 private suites, and we're looking for the best of Atlanta. Come out, pick a room, test it, tour it, smell it, feel it. All of our rooms come standard with the same things. They all have security locks. They all have mini fridges, queen size beds, workstation, and a television. I believe that our houses should have community space. So in every one of our houses, you'll see a common space living room along with a fully appointed kitchen. And the entire house, the cleaning supplies and all the kitchen supplies are provided for you. Come enjoy what the future of co-living looks like. This is where co-living is going on PadSplit. I don't care what you thought it was in the past. I want to show you what our rooms look like today. Come out this Sunday, pick a room, come find your home.